Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 14th of October, 2024. After a couple of range-bound sessions, the bulls took charge of Dalal Street on October 14th and took Nifty to cross 25,150 intraday, amid buying seen across the sectors, barring metal and media. At close, the Sensex was up 591.69 points or 0.73% at 81,973.05, and the Nifty was up 163.70 points or 0.66% at 25,128. Wipro, Tech Mahindra, HDFC Life, L&T, HDFC Bank were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers were ONGC, Maruti Suzuki, Tata Steel, BAJAJ Finance and Adani Enterprises. Talking about the corporate segment, we have BAJAJ Housing Finance share price dropped over 6% on October 14th as its one-month lock-in period expired for the anchor investors. As the lock-in period has ended, as many as 12.6 crore shares or 2% of the company's outstanding equity will be eligible for trading, Nuvama Alternative and Quantitative Research said in its recent note. These shares were earlier locked and prohibited from sale. On December 12, BAJAJ Housing Finance's 3-month lock-in period will expire, and an additional 12.6 crore shares, or 2% of the outstanding stock, will be available for trading. BAJAJ Housing Finance stock touched an intraday low of 141.58 rupees per share on the NSE on October 14, down 6.16% in Monday's trading session with its market valuation at Rs 118,259.68. Transformers and Rectifiers India shares surged to its upper circuit of 5% after a block deal worth 211 rupees crore took place on the exchanges. As many as 27 lakh shares of Transformers and Rectifiers changed hands in a block deal, at a floor price of 780 rupees per share, reflecting a 2.6% discount from the previous closing price. Earlier this month, the firm won an order worth 565 rupees crore from the Power Grid Corporation of India for the manufacturing of transformers and reactors with the delivery lined up for FY26. Last month, the company secured another 114 rupees crore order from Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Prasaran Nigam Limited for power transformers of 50 MVA, 132 or 33 kV. The company will manufacture the transformers and deliver it by the next financial year. Moreover, back in June, the company also raised 500 rupees crore through a qualified institutional placement, which has garnered strong interest from marquee names like Nomura, Goldman Sachs, and HSBC, all of which participated in the fund raise. The company intended to use the proceeds to fund its capex plans, repay its borrowings, and for working capital, inorganic growth and the general corporate purposes. DMart parent Avenue Supermart's earnings show for the quarter ended September left brokerages disappointed, as the revenue and net profit fell below expectations. The retail major's net profit for the second quarter of the current financial year rose by 5.8% on year, reaching 659.6 rupees crore, compared to 623.6 rupees crore in the same period last year. For the quarter, Avenue Supermart's revenue rose by 14.4% year-on-year to 14,444.5 rupees crore, up from 12,624.4 rupees crore year-on-year. According to international brokerage Bernstein, the biggest miss for Avenue Supermarts was revenue growth, which was the slowest in 4 years. The like-for-like growth was the slowest in 3 years. The management noted that the store's operations in metro cities, including the online offering DMart Ready, were impacted by online grocery format players, including quick commerce players. Tech giant, HCL Technologies, share price opened higher on Monday, October 14th, to hit a new 52-week high of 1,857.85 rupees apiece. This comes ahead of the company's Q2 results announcement for FY25. In the second quarter, the company's IT services are expected to grow, owing to a revival in demand for BFSI. Margins are also likely to expand, while HCL Tech is expected to retain its financial year 2025 guidance. At the time of writing, HCL Tech was marginally up to 1,842 rupees apiece on BSE. The company's market cap is around Rs for 99,775.70 crore. In the early trade, the stock touched a new 52-week high of 1,857.85 rupees apiece. The price-to-equity ratio of HCL is at 43.19x, while return on equity is at 29.28%. SUPERMART Consultancy Limited in daily time frame is trading around 122.89 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 124.975 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 103.45, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.61. Ashoka Metcast Limited in daily time frame is trading around 32.05 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.999 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 23.96, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 87.47. Sangani Hospitals Limited in daily time frame is trading around 61.95 points with a change of 19.95% and is trading with a net volume of around 78,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 48.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.43. For the stock recommendation we have, Computer Age Management Services looks good and can be bought at 46.01, keeping a stop loss of 4,485 rupees and a target of 4,745.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.